Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely students who are listening to me. It's me, Anila Raza from SM Public Academy. I am your English teacher. I hope you all remember me. So, my little kids, as you can see on this screen, what's written here? Composition. So, it means today we are going to do composition. But before starting composition, I will first tell you what is composition. Composition is a short piece of writing. Okay, my students, composition is a short piece of writing. It is the act of putting so many ideas together in paragraphs. Okay, what is composition? It is a short piece of writing. It is the act of putting so many ideas together in paragraphs. Now moving further, how to start? Now so many of you will be thinking how to start writing a composition. So the first thing you need to do for this is just to think and think. Okay my kids, what you have to do first, you have to think about the topic you have given. Okay? Spend some time on thinking about the topic. Then what you have to do next? Then write the words that comes in your mind and use those words to form sentences. When you'll be thinking about a topic, so many words and ideas related to that topic will come in your mind. What you have to do then, you have to write those words on paper and then you have to use those words in sentences. Okay, you have to make sentences of those words. After doing that, what you have to do, you have to arrange the sentences carefully in proper order. For example, if I ask you to write about yourself, so would it look good if you write your name in the end of that composition? No, right? What you have to do, first of all, you have to introduce yourself with your name and then you will write the other things. Okay, similarly with every topic, what you have to do, you have to arrange the sentences and ideas in a proper order. Okay? Okay, so now my students, now have you just read everything about what is composition and how to write it. Now let's just begin with our today's composition. Okay, the topic of our composition is what I do after reaching home. What I do after reaching home. Okay, reaching means पहुंचना. मैं क्या करती हूँ घर पहुंचने के बाद. Okay, so you have to write your activities that you do. Now, let's just begin with our composition writing. Okay, what comes in your mind when you think about the activities you do at your home? Okay, what comes in your mind? I think the activities we do at home are of few are same and few are different, right? Let's just see which activities this boy has it in his brain. Okay, he cook. Oh, he cooks food at home. Okay, he drinks water at home. Okay, we all do. He dress up. Okay, we all dress up daily on regular basis. Get fresh. Yes, we also get fresh. Lunch. Yes, we all do it. Rest. Yes, I love to do rest at home. Share. Okay, share anything, food and all. Play. This is the one I know you all do it. Okay. Then homework. I know this is also the activity that all of my students do regularly at their homes. Dinner, yes, we all do it. And watch, yes. Now, watch. You people watch cartoons. I may watch movies and the other related work. Okay, so these are the activities this boy do at his home. Now, what activities you people do when you reach at your home? Okay, let's just see. So first we'll make the word bank for composition. How you'll make the word bank for composition? First, you have to sit, you have to close your eyes and think for 1 minute that what you do after reaching home. जब आप स्कूल से घर जाते हैं तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? Okay, I have made some of the guesses of your activities और उसी की बेस पर I have made this word bank. Let's just have a look on it. Okay, when you reach home, you change uniform, okay? Get fresh, okay? Have lunch, take rest, then you play, then you do homework, then you have dinner, and then you sleep. Okay, now I have just guessed कि आप सब ये activities करते हैं घर जाकर. I know कि इससे कुछ different भी जरूर करते होंगे, but I have just made it like this, okay? Now, what we have to do, अब हमने word bank बना लिया है. Now we have to make the sentences, okay? Now, we'll use each of the word word in sentence. Now, first we have reach home. We have to use the word reach home in a sentence. So how will we write it? Like this. I reach home at 2 p.m. Now, you have just mentioned the time at which you reach home, okay? And you have made a complete sentence. Now, the first letter is capital and there's a full stop because we have ended the sentence here. Now, in composition, we do not change our lines, okay? We have to continue the next sentence from the same line. So the next sentence is change. Next word is change uniform. Get fresh. I think we can just join both of them, right? Change uniform and get fresh. So how we'll just write it in the sentence? Let's just have a look. I change my uniform and get fresh. Very good. Okay. We have made the sentence by joining. Now, because of this word and, we have joined two words together. I change my uniform and get fresh. Okay, we have joined two sentences with this word and. Then we have put full stop here. Now we'll make the sentence of, let's see. Now we have done with these three. Now we have lunch. How to use this in our sentence? Now you people will just make it and after that I will reveal it. Have lunch. I hope you all have made it. Quick, quick. Okay, so now here is my sentence. Then after having lunch, I take some rest. Now what I have done, again I have joined these two. I have joined these two statements. Have lunch, take rest. Then after having lunch, I take some rest. Here we have to put the comma. Why? Because there is a break, okay? Then after having lunch, I take some rest. Now moving further, next we have the word play. Now how we'll make the sentence of play? Then I go outside to play with my friends, okay? Obviously we go outside to play, right? So I have just made it like this. Then I go outside to play with my friends. I have used the word play like this. It's not necessary that you have to do it in the same way. Obviously you can have your own ideas, your own activities, and your own sentences, okay? I'm just giving you an idea of how to use the words in sentences and how to write a composition. Now, next we have do homework, okay? Now, how we'll use it in sentence? Then at night, I do my homework, comma, have dinner, and go to sleep. Now, what I have done? I have just joined them all together in one sentence. Then at night, I do my homework, comma, have dinner, and go to sleep. And here we have done our composition. What I do after reaching home? I reach home at 2 p.m. from my school. I change my uniform and get fresh. Then I go outside to play with my friends. Then at night, I do my homework, have dinner, and go to sleep. So here we have done our composition. Now I'll just tell you how you have to write it in your copy. First, you'll mention it in your index, and then you'll make the title page of composition. What I do after reaching home. You have to make the title page of it. Then on next page, you will write word bank for composition. And here you will write all the words: reach home, change uniform, get fresh, have lunch, take rest, play, do homework, have dinner, and sleep. Okay, what you'll do, you will put the heading word bank for composition and you'll write all the words here. Then on the next page, you'll put the heading what I do after reaching home, and then you'll write the composition in this way. I hope you all will do it in very neat writing. Okay. Now, I hope you all have got it now how to write a composition, as it was our second composition, okay? But you'll get to know it more when you'll practice it more and more, okay? So just choose any of the topic of your interest or ask your parents to give you a topic for composition and write few lines on it, okay? And see, are you able to write it or not, okay? Thank you for listening to your teacher.